Bitcoin is looking amazing. Not only did it close above $95,000, which you know I've been watching like a hawk, as well as my reasoning for Bitcoin to hit $173,000 by the end of this cycle. You want to find the highest local high, which right now is this all-time high at $109,356. And then you want to find the lowest low, not the next to lowest, not the low that could be the lowest, the absolute low. And when we do this, it gives us this drawing. We always go from the top to the drop. These are the main levels: 0, 236, 382, 5, 618, 786, 1, which is basically 0 to 1 is the bottom to the top. Then 272 or 1.272, 1.618. So what do all these numbers mean? Well, these are measurements, and you could think of these as percentages. So when we use this sequence, this is allowing us to not only see where there should be levels of support or resistance as the price retraces back up to the 1 from where it fell, it also is plotting out a future level of resistance and support as the price goes higher. We identify the local high over here in March 2024 to the low here on August 5th, and that gives us these fibs right here. So we go 2024 March. So you can see, again, top to the drop in this area. What's interesting about this is that once we kind of zoom in and we see the price starting to move up higher, where does it start to get rejected first? It does push above the 618 right here, but it gets rejected. Where does it find support? Around the 236. Where does it find resistance? Again, at the 0.5, then support at the 382. Resistance at the 618. It pushes above, it falls back down to the 5. You see how it's kind of playing ping pong right at these levels like this? This is why fib levels are so amazing. I mean, from the current price right now up to 100K, it's only a 4% move. It's not that far. 103K, which was pretty difficult to break above many times over, that's only a 6% move. That should be pretty easy. And then the next obvious target is right here. We have two overlapping levels right at $109,000. This to me is going to be a trickier level to break. Not impossible, because if we've broken above 95K, then this isn't that far away. And I think that Bitcoin will be able to push up another 13%. It's going to probably have to chill, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. To me, the next level that will be a struggle for BTC, in my opinion, is going to be right about here, from about 117K to 123K, because we have the 2018 fibs projected here, we have the 2025 fibs projected here, and we also have the 2014 fibs projected here.